What's up guys, my name is Faizan Amjed and in this video we will create these different style of text effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, go to the generators, scroll down and we have to drag this solid color in timeline. Select this one, go to the generator and click here and we have to change this to white. Now we have to go to the titles, scroll up and we have to drag this text plus in timeline. Let's match the duration. Select this one and we can change this to text text. I'm going to change my font style to this one and I'm going to change this to bold italic. Now we can click here and we can change this color to black and we can increase the size to right about here. Now we can select these two, we can create a new compound clip. Now by the way, if you want to change your text, we can click here and we can change the timeline option to this one. So we will have multiple timeline. Now we can right click on this compound clip, we can open this in timeline. So we have this compound clip and we have this main timeline. So we can select this text, we can change the text and now it will update in this one. Now we have to go to the Fusion page and we have to search for light rays effect. So we can go to the effects, we can click here and we can search for. So we have to go to the open FX and I'm going to drag this in between these two nodes. Now we can change this to single screen from here. And now by default we will get this result. So first of all we have to change the source of rays to edges. We have to change the rays drop off to CCD bloom soft. Change the softness to 0. We can increase the length and we can lower the brightness a bit. Now have a look. Now if you press Ctrl, hold it, using the scroll we can zoom in and zoom out. Now as you can see guys, we have this light rays controls on previous screen. So we can control this like this way. So as you can see guys, we have this light rays effect. Now we can change the composite mode style to a different style and we will get different look. So for example, if I change this to normal, as you can see now we have this style. We can change the length to improve this even more. We can change this to subtract. We will get this result. We can change this to difference. So we will get this different cartoonish effect. Let's scroll up. And we can also add a bit softness right about here. And now check this out. We can create this cartoonish style effect. We can change the softness to back to 0 and we can change this to multiply. And if you want to improve this effect, we can change this to hard light. Now in final, this is my favorite. We can change this to color burn. And now check this out. We will get this interesting effect. Now to animate this position, we have to go to the first frame of this text and I'm going to add a keyframe. Now as soon as you add a keyframe, these controls will appear. So we can add a keyframe animation using these controls. It's very simple. Let me show you what I mean. Now I'm going to select this one and now I'm going to press space key on the keyboard. And now I'm going to draw this path like this. And now check this out. We have this animation. So to improve the animation of this keyframe, we have to go to this spline. We have to click here to select these two, scroll down, zoom out. We can select these one and we can smooth out their animation. Let's select this one and now if I play this video, as you can see guys, now we have this animation. Now you don't need to animate this from the start. Now we don't need to animate this from the scratch. We can select this light rays effect and we can change this to add. We can change this to normal. We can change this to difference. Now by the way, we can change this to angle. As you can see, we don't have any angle animation. So we have to add this manually. I'm going to click here. Let's go to this frame and now we can add an angle. And now if I go back, as you can see, now we have this angle effect. Go to this spline, uncheck these one, select the angle only, select these keyframe and smooth out their animation. Now we can change this to from A location to B, or we can change this to angle. So we will have both animation. Now we can also select this light rays effect and I'm going to zoom in and now we can go to the settings and we can also enable motion blur. Now as you can see, if you notice right here, if I disable the motion blur, as you can see guys, now we can improve this even more. Now the text color is black and the background color is also black, but the light rays effect is in white color. So if you want to invert this, we can change this to difference. We can increase the length and now have a look. We have the white background and we have the white text, but we have the black light rays effect. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you want to see more videos like these, then subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.